Norwegian North Sea Haze blues. Tight dips, frozen coils, the wind cuts like a knife. Breathe, analyze the first thing, boss, I swear it's just coffee and life. Chopper delayed by the gale, we're stuck another night. Tech on the platform, chasing comfort in the fight. Fuck your 8-6 deadline, the North Sea sets the pace. Fuck your punch list deadline, we'll balance when the storm says grace. Out here on the Norwegian shelf where the waves hit like a train, hate's gotta keep him breathing through the salt and freezing rain. Corrosion eats the dampers, salt crust on every fan. Filters clogged with North Sea mist, change them if you can. Fix the AHU in the LQ, crews complaining it's too hot, but the excess hatch is buried behind a stack of coffee pots. We chase alarms from midnight till the mess hall opens wide. With a flicker in the leaking zone, B takes it up, go inside. PT's evolved, stuck open, pressure dropping low, while the OM's on the radio screaming, when's the goddamn AC gonna blow? From Stavanger briefing to the gangway in the port, 2 weeks of 12-hour shifts, then 3 off on the shore. But the drawings changed again, third revision overnight. Engineers in Oslo drawing lines while we're freezing in the light. This is a test. This is a test. Lars, Svens, Dansken, 2-3. Feedback howling, cables sparking in the spray. Commissioning the fresh air unit while the platform starts to sway. No lifeboat drill today, the wind's too strong to launch. Just me, my tools, and a prayer that the heater doesn't crunch. We're racing for the handover, procedures thick as fog. We are racing for the handover, signing